Oh my God, you guys, I am in so much pain right now. It is just burning across my back. I think today I'm gonna have to end up taking my medicine because I haven't been taking it and today has just been awful. Alright, you guys, so I'm back and I came home and I was able to take my medicine, which I was super disappointed that I had to because I haven't taken it for 4 days. But it really felt like there was like this burning sensation and this pulling across the middle of my back, and it was very uncomfortable. I also feel like I'm getting a sore throat, so I am drinking some Reese's tea. It's not really, but it's just black tea. I love my mug though, you guys. It reminds me of better times when I could eat Reese's Pieces. So I'm drinking tea. My throat is hurting. My back feels better because I did take that medicine, and I took a 4-hour nap. So I'm feeling okay right now. A little bit sluggish, but it is what it is. Today is the anniversary of the death of my grandmother. Unfortunately, 2007 we lost her, which was a very, very dark day for me. I was 5 months pregnant at the time, and so she never really got to know my daughter. And my daughter is a mini me, and she is a badass, and she is amazing. And my grams was somebody that she helped raise me. She helped my mom raise me. And my tattoo that you guys see all the time, this is actually her handwriting. And it says, "It is what it is." And this is supposed to be a white butterfly, but the white has kind of faded a little bit. But white butterflies kind of remind me of her because those, I don't know why. It's just kind of one of those things. But yeah, I photoshopped her handwriting together to actually put the "it is what it is" into a tattoo. And that was kind of something that I took from her, and it's something that I live by every day. It is what it is. And there's the only thing you have control over in your life is how you react to things. And that is absolutely true. And it is what it is. Do the best you can with what you've got. And so, yeah, that's just a little bit of a tribute to her. And she was a very special woman. And so I'm not like hysterically crying today or anything like that. I've had some time to heal. But it is still kind of one of those, dark days. So it is what it is. And there we go. Okay. So let's go ahead and do our October. How did I have an accent with that? October Fast Motivation Board. If you guys are just joining us, this is what our October Fast Board looks like. We have done 15 different motivational quotes for this month so far. So if you haven't caught up, go ahead and watch those videos. I always post a link for the playlist down below. They're really great quotes that I have picked out just to kind of share with you guys and talk to you guys about them because they're really helpful, and it's something that, we're all going through this, and I think they're really great quotes to help kind of keep us going and things for us to think about. So definitely go check those out. So we are going to go into our motivational pouch and choose a quote. Okay. All right, you guys. For day 16, it is, sorry, it's very glossy. It's not a race, it's a journey. Okay. Perfect quote. I really want you guys to think about that and remember it. It is not a race, you guys. We are not in this like mouse race that everybody's trying to get to one place who can get there faster. And no. You guys, everybody is different, and everybody loses at a different pace, and everybody has their own life and different bumps that happen. And I don't want you guys to get so bogged down by somebody's losing faster than you, or you're not experiencing what other people are, or whatever. This is your journey, you guys, and it's not how fast you can get to the finish line. It is, you are going to go like this throughout the entire thing. Weight loss is never straight down. You are going to hit so many bumps in the road, and guess what? It's okay. It is okay. We have all been there. It took me literally over 2 years to realize, well, not to realize, but to learn and get to a point where I felt comfortable with things like stepping on the scale and seeing it go up 3 pounds, even though I was only water fasting. That frustrates a lot of people, and I see it every single day. I'm only losing this amount, or I didn't lose this amount, or whatever. And so many people, and I get it, but so many people want those instant results, you guys, and that's not weight loss. That is a mindset of not where you want to be. That's not a mindset of healthfulness. That is a mindset of just pure weight loss. And that is a little bit, I think we all actually get a little bit of desperation sometimes when we start a weight loss journey. And we all want to see it go down and down and down and never have any hiccups and never have any mess up days or anything like that. And we just want to see continuous results. But honey, let me tell you, it's not going to be like that. I wish it was, but any person who has done weight loss and has had to change their mindset and change their eating habits and go to war every single day with their mind and their heart and their body, like me, I do that every single day. There is literally a war in my mind, and a war between my mind and my heart, I should say. And it's a battle. It's a war, you guys. You guys are literally fighting a war within yourself. And it's really difficult to stay the course for so many days and not fall off or anything, and then get frustrated and give up. And, it takes a lot of strength. But even if you do, remember some of our other quotes. It doesn't matter how long you go on. If you travel in the wrong direction, turn around, go right back. There's no better day than today to pick up and start. Go back to some of those old quotes, you guys. It's not a race, and there are going to be hiccups. And I want you guys to be very, very, very kind to yourself, because this is essentially fixing a lifetime of bad habits. You didn't gain weight or get unhealthy overnight. So there's a lot of things that you have to do within losing weight. You have to change your mindset. You have to change your eating habits. You have to stick to it. You have to learn about it. Really learn about it. Don't just say, okay, I'm going to lose weight. I'm going to stop eating this, 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 and this, and I'm just going to drink water and that's it. I think a lot of people get bogged down by the fact that it's not so instant. And that's something I don't want you guys to do. I want you guys to actually be able to figure out why things are happening, different symptoms that you're experiencing. I want you to learn about those. You guys can always ask me to. I have several groups that I'm in on Facebook. I have a Healthy Alternative. I'm just a member in that one, but I'm happy to help anybody. I am an admin for the Keto Motivation group on Facebook. There's like 207,000 people in there. I'm an admin for them. I definitely will help you on your keto journey. I also have my own keto group for beginners. It's called the Keto Saga Begins. I'll post a link for that down below as well. I'm an admin in there, and you guys can always message me. People message me all the time looking for motivation and encouragement. And that's what I'm ultimately here for. I'm here for you guys. I want you guys to know that you're not alone. But I really want you to remember that it is a process. Okay, it is a process, and it is hard. It is not easy. And you guys have to be kind to yourself, because you are on your own personal journey, and ultimately you are your own best friend and your worst enemy at the same time. So realize that there is a battle going on. What side are you going to allow to win is going to be the side that you nourish the most. So if you give in to the demons, they're going to win. If you give in to taking your time, really learning about the whole process and doing things and trusting the process and being kind to yourself and allowing your body to naturally do what it needs to do to get you to where you're nice and healthy, that side's going to win. So I really want you to think about that the next time that you're like, oh, that person lost 30 pounds. I only lost 15. And you get all frustrated. 15 pounds is still 15 pounds. So be kind to yourself, you guys. It's not a race, it's a journey. And we're all on one. So I'm here for you. Find yourself a nice support group if you haven't already. And I will see you in my next video for our next motivational quote, which is on day 17 of October. We're more than halfway through the month, you guys. So you guys got this. I'm here for you. I will see you then. Thanks for watching.